you're not. Let's go. Hey, let's go find mommy, okay?
Okay.
Here, come this way. Let's go inside. I think mommy's in here.
Let's go find her.
There she is. Look, Hattie, look. There's mommy.
Oh, bunny. Yeah.
Happy birthday.
The bunny's really mean.
That's your bunny.
Oh. And where all the bunnies?
That's just the one, baby.
And where all the bunnies go?
It's just your one bunny.
Do you want to hold your bunny?
Yeah.
Okay, you gotta be real careful, okay? Do you love her?
Yeah.
It's a girl.
Yeah.
What do you want to name her?
Peter Rabbit Girl.
Peter Rabbit Girl.
He's so cute.
Happy birthday.
Thanks, Daddy, Mom. Thanks, Daddy, Mom. I love it.
Can you give it a kiss?
Mwah.
Can mommy hold it?
Sorry. Okay. It's okay. He's so cutie. And don't... Yeah.
Are you so excited?
Yeah.
You got a bunny.
Where all the bunnies go?
No, it's just your one.